The Dannilong 40-inch modern ceiling fan is a stylish and practical addition to any room, with its powerful DC motor and 5 reversible fan blades providing long-lasting, powerful airflow. This ceiling fan offers a unique 2-color fan blade design, with one side in classic black and the other in natural wood, allowing you to switch between a modern or a natural style. The fan comes with a convenient remote control feature offering 6 levels of fan speed, a timer function, and adjustable light options, with the ability to operate the fan and light simultaneously or independently. An additional feature is the ability to control the fan using a mobile application, following instructions provided in the manual. The fan has a powerful DC motor that operates silently and offers 6 speed options, an airflow of over 3,000 cubic feet per minute, and a unique design that provides downward airflow in summer and upward airflow in winter. Installation of the Dannilong ceiling fan is easy and straightforward, with detailed instructions and installation videos provided, and 24/7 customer support available to assist with any inquiries.